Okay, today guys, we're going to be unboxing Enter the Dragon 4K. Kick ass. Let's rock this bitch out. This is a fantastic film. If you're into Bruce Lee, you won't be disappointed, that's for sure. Okay, so here is the digital code for you. There's the QR code. Here we go with the front. Got the spine and the back here. Special features. Includes theatrical and special edition versions, which is good. And there's the disc. Right on. So there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing of Enter the Dragon. That is it for today, and I'm out of here.